In this video, you will see how to increase cell size in Excel online. It's very easy. You can either click on the bottom, hold the click and then drag down like this to increase the cell size. You can similarly drag the column like this to adjust the cell size as well. If you want to adjust the size of multiple cells at once, then you can select the cells, right click on the selected cells. You will see here column width. Just go to the customs and then you can enter the value here. Similarly, to adjust the rows, you can simply select the rows, and after selecting the rows, right click, you will see here row height. Click on custom and then you can enter the height, for example 8, and then click on OK. So in this way you can increase cell size in Excel online. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel online quickly. See you again in the next one.